Hello viewers, welcome to Gardening is My Love. In this brand new episode, I am going to introduce to you to Euphorbia Hirtha, a generally known weed found all over the road. If you haven't come across Euphorbia Hirtha yet, it is time to read up or miss out. And what you will be missing out on are some potentially impressive health benefits that the modest looking plant has to offer. While many remember to cite its possible properties like its ability to promote wound healing or alleviate a number of gastrointestinal disorders, it is also worth knowing that this is commonly known as asthma plant. As the name aptly suggests, the plant is traditionally used as an asthma plant for the treatment of asthma in various regions where it grows. Now let me introduce the plant to you. What is Euphorbia Hirtha? It's a botanical name. It's a hairy herbaceous plant that is often found growing on roadsides in the tropical parts of the world. It is considered to be native to India. This weed has now become a pantropical species. It is primarily used as a medicinal herb due to its unique chemical structure and powerful effects on the body. It has been used traditionally for thousands of years, and research is ongoing to fully understand the potential of this humble plant and all the ways it can be used to benefit human health. All parts of these plants are effective in their own way and are used for specific ailments. The leaves, flowers, sap from this herbaceous plant are all used in different ways and in different forms, depending on the ailment at hand. Now let us look a slightly closer at many of the health benefits of Euphorbia Hirtha or asthma plant. For a plant that can easily be categorized as weed or dismissed as an overgrown plant in the wild, asthma plant surely offers a lot of health benefits that can be availed if you know how to use the plant. Let's take a look at what the health benefits of this humble plant include. The first in the list is it relieves asthma. One of the oldest, most known and the most popular uses of this weed from ancient times in our traditional medicine such as Ayurveda is an anti-asthmatic. While there is not enough research to cite this as a solution to asthma, but it works as an effective symptom management. The plant has a relaxing effect on bronchial system that facilitates a relaxed respiratory system. So the first use is it relieves the bronchial pains in asthma patients. Secondly, it's a possible remedy for gastrointestinal issues. Apart from what earns it is the name asthma weed, arguably the second most popular health benefits offered by this plant is possible relief from gastric or gastrointestinal issues. It is said to work well against diarrhea, constipation, intestinal parasites, nausea, vomiting, heartburn, and peptic ulcers. And the third major use is it helps in wound healing. The extract of this plant can be applied directly to the skin on boils, wounds, rashes, burns, and other marks. This solution can speed the healing process by stimulating blood flow to the skin. It stimulates the regrowth of new cells and even contribute its antioxidant capacity to promote healthier looking skin. The major use of the plant is in cosmetic creams. It eliminates signs of aging and can reduce the appearance of wrinkles and sun damage. And the next major use of Euphorbia hirtha or asthma plant is because of its anti-malarial properties. The plant as well as its root may have anti-malarial properties, which may make the plants especially useful in tropical weathers where it is most prevalent. The qualities in the plants are also imparted by quercetin. Quercetin is a chemical chemical element. And now let me concentrate on some of the traditional uses and how we can use asthma plant in our daily diet. The first one is the decoction of the leaves can be given in dengue to help increase the platelet count. Secondly, for lactating mothers to increase the flow of milk, make a paste of the flower the size of the betel nut. Take it along with a glass of milk for a week. Thirdly, the paste of the flowers mixed with equal quantity of Phyllanthus neruri and taken with the curds helps in alleviating means lessening the infertility issues in men. Fourthly, the paste of the leaves about half a tablespoon with the cow's milk, if given for 3 days, will help alleviate inflammation, itching, liver issues, besides helping clear the bowels. And for those who are very much concerned about the beauty of their face, it can be used as a facial pack also. Paste of the leaves with gram flour is applied on face to help address scars and blemishes on the skin. Next major traditional use is apply the sap of Euphorbia hirtha on warts to effect a healing. And a paste of equal quantities of leaves of asthma weed, Phyllanthus neruri, we call it as Namada Beru. If you have not heard about Phyllanthus neruri, I have a video description of the Ayurvedic plant you can see in my video. And a well soaked fenugreek seeds is taken along with milk for helping address leukoderma. Let me make the thing very clear once again. A paste of equal quantities of leaves of asthma weed, Phyllanthus neruri, Namada Beru we call it as in Kannada, and a well soaked fenugreek seeds is taken along with milk for helping address leukoderma. So this is all about Euphorbia hirtha. In Hindi we call it as chota Doodhi, Doodhi plant, Doodhiya, Nagarjuni, and with many other names. The herb is used all across the northern and southern part of the India and a very popular herb. It is a weed, it is found all over the place, roadside, in paddy fields, along the borders of the field, so everywhere. So when you next walk across, you take a few leaves of Euphorbia hirtha or the asthma weed, eat it. So those who are not used to it may have a vomiting sensation, So always take in small quantities of this herb. If you are taking the overdose of Euphorbia hirtha or asthma plant, it can lead to vomiting sensation. And always take the help of the medical practitioner, doctor or Ayurvedic practitioner before consuming any Ayurvedic products. So thank you for watching this episode. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share. So your each like will increase my motivation to come forward with many more such videos. So thank you.